This week I'm going to create a simple but interesting business card. I'm going to start by inverting the background. So I'm going to use a white custom shape. I said a white custom shape. And I want to be able to see it. And I'm just kind of arbitrarily copying and resizing and rotating some of these shapes here. And I'll merge them, convert that back into white, drop my background image in here, and make that a clipping mask, merge those as well, and give it a very, very slight drop shadow. And it's time to bring in some images, which I'm just taking a square section from. I'm going to give these a stroke, and I'm just going to change the color and sample it from the background element. And fade the background to 50%. Add in some text. And with the text, actually I'm going to bring that back up to 100 real quick. So I'm going to do the same thing and sample some of these colors from inside this background element here. Just to keep it interesting. Then I'll put that back. Fade the opacity again. And I'll bring in a picture of the photographer here. Make it about as big as the text. And I'm just going to copy this stroke to the photographer image here. And then pretty much done from here. Just kind of got to play around with the position of the text and the small photo. But that's more or less it. Just using some pre-built Adobe custom shapes, some text, and sampling the colors from a sort of generic textured background.